Introducing the Fujifilm X-T200 Mirrorless Camera Body, Dark Silver. With its sleek design and advanced features, this camera is the perfect tool for capturing your creative vision. Equipped with a vari-angle 3.5-inch widescreen LCD touchscreen, the X-T200 offers intuitive and responsive control over the camera's features and functionality. You can adjust settings such as brightness, background blur, film simulation effects, and image aspect ratios, all with a simple touch. Thanks to on-sensor phase detection pixels and an improved prediction algorithm, the X-T200 achieves fast and accurate autofocus in various imaging environments. The updated face, eye detection AF allows for quick and easy focusing on individuals or groups, even when taking selfies. Fujifilm's renowned color science is incorporated into the X-T200, with 11 digital film simulation modes inspired by their iconic photographic films. These modes give your images a unique and nostalgic look, adding a creative touch to your photography. Additionally, the camera offers 20 advanced filters, including the new clear filter, for even more artistic possibilities. Recording high-contrast footage is made easier with the new HDR video function, while in-camera video editing allows you to trim and adjust your clips before sharing them. You can share your videos and photos directly from the camera to your smartphone without the need for a computer. With its 24 optical sensor resolution and prime lens type, the X-T200 delivers stunning image quality. It has a burst mode of 8 fps, ensuring that you capture those important moments with ease. Designed for your convenience, the X-T200 is equipped with a new EVF, fast autofocus and face detection. Its 3.5 intuitive touchscreen and advanced filter options make it easier than ever to bring your vision to life. Please note that this product may require an adapter or converter for international use. Check compatibility before purchasing. Experience the Fujifilm X-T200 and elevate your photography to new heights.